not looking really good.
This should now be filming.
Yeah.
Come here, come here. Come on.
Get it to something called a pearl point.
A pearl point.
So 35 grams of water and 150 of sugar. Mix this before you actually get any heat on it. The camera's there. You keep filming. You feel like that. Okay.
You can do it.
Now we can't.
Now that's a shaky man face.
So this recipe is from La Dolce Rita. She's a Portuguese pastry chef, and well, I hope I'm doing her proud right now. Pearl point is the drops have to be. Oh, it is. Look.
Look at this damn good angle.
Damn good angle. I don't have much light here though. On our flour, just a little bit of cold milk. This is whole milk, by the way.
Lactose free, I should hope.
Cinnamon, lemon zest. I'm gonna start adding stuff to stuff.
You stopped mixing.
I did.
You stopped mixing.
I know. Wait, don't pressure me.
What heart rate is that one?
I know. I'm stressing like hell.
Oh, it's going up. Oh,
'Cause-
don't stress, Teresa.
But you keep
Don't
saying
stress.
it's gonna go
It's
to.
gonna go fail. Oh, you need to keep on stirring. Oh, it's going down.
Oh.
It hasn't gone through the sieve.
I know. It's hard, isn't it?
Oh, I can't do it. Oh, I'm gonna moan, just like Teresa. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, I can't do it.
You're gonna have to make it as thin as possible. Andrew, did you know we have a bigger rolling pin?
What? We have a bigger rolling pin?
Then we're gonna have to roll
Right,
it.
you tell me what to do one more time. I'll make you as thin as possible. It's probably about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And with your hands clean and wet, pressing down center. And then getting the sides to come up. We made 4x4, so 16 tiny custard puff pastry things. And now fill them in.
Wow, that's so good.
Here is our end result. They're still starting to puff down like this one. And they smell really good. We got leftover of puff pastry and custard, and you made it into a little thing for the dog. I don't think he... Oh no. He does like it. Oh.